come here.
It's dinner time!
Sorry, but I need to know what it's like. It's still very confusing, but also very hilarious. I like this frog a lot. He's cool. He's pretty amazing.